It's a great pleasure for me to have chaired the British Irish Council here in Cardiff today. Each council has a theme. The theme of this council was the development of lesser used languages. 7 different languages spoken on the floor of the council today. Great interest in the work that has gone on here in Wales, and a real sense in all the countries represented around the table of the growing interest there is in sustaining the use of languages which have been used for centuries in different parts of the British Isles. Alongside that, 2 other big themes to report. First of all, and inevitably, the current state of play over the Northern Ireland Protocol, state of relations between the United Kingdom and the European Union. And then finally, we had a very good discussion of the way that the Council can help to build on the achievements of COP26 at Glasgow. There are many lessons we can draw from one another. There are many ideas that we can progress together. And we leave here today with a commitment to come back together again as a council to share information and step up our contribution to that great challenge of our time, addressing climate change.